Hello friends, welcome to my channel Computer Succeed. This video based on Microsoft Word application. In this video we will discuss on paragraph group which is present in Home tab. You will see how to work on the paragraphs. So these are the topics which will be coming here. How to use alignment, and next is spacing, indent, paragraph shading, border, bullets, numbering, sorting. We will see that one by one. I will start with the alignment. I am typing equals to RAND bracket open and close, then hit enter. This command use as usual for random text. Now I will trying to format in the left, right, center and justify alignment. I just keep my cursor and you can select also in the paragraph. You just click on the right alignment option. We can see it applied there. If we observed here, the entire text come on the right side of the page. You can also use the shortcut key for this command Ctrl+R. Next is, first of all select a paragraph. Just click on left align option. You observe that the entire text come on the left side. You can also use the shortcut key for this command Ctrl+L. If you say, if I want to go for the middle and center align, so first of all select heading and then I click on the center align option. You can also use shortcut key Ctrl+E. You can see it's applied here. Now remain alignment is justify. If you want to this space to occupy, I am in the sentence to occupy the empty space that time. You can select that and click on this justify option. Another method to apply this format, you can press Ctrl+J. Justify means it will utilize the space which is given us. If I click on the observe, nothing will change on the left side, but right side the space will be occupied. The next one, I have written some text. We can work on sorting on this document. Sort option is used to arrange current selection in alphabetical and numerical. I have written name of states: Delhi, Rajasthan, Mumbai, Bihar, Assam. This text is not the sorted order. That means this is not arranged to alphabetical. I want to select the text here. I am going to paragraph group and this option for sorting, it's give me a dialog box. Here you can do multiple level sorting. First one is paragraph. I am sorting the text in ascending order. And then press OK button. You can see that it is finished. If you want to descending order, again do the same thing. Select the text, just click on the sorting option, then press on descending order and press OK button. So I hope you are able to understand sorting. Next is bullet and numbering. I put some bullets that looks proper way. I will just click on this place and select the text. After the selection, go to the bullet option. You can see that bullet points are come. If you want to some other options, go to the define new button and then click on symbol button. In kind of bullets, we can just click on this drop down. You can choose bullet from here, click on OK and then OK. You can see that it is finished. Sometimes you don't need the bullet points, like you want to numbering in 1 to 3 or you want to ABC and Roman numbers. So first select one. So this is a numbering and this part of the bullet. So one more thing I like to show here. So I hope you are able to understand. Next is I am talking about indent. Indent means move your paragraph closer to the margin and further away from the margin. So select a paragraph. Just I click on the right and then like this. Then you observe what has happened to the paragraph. The text is going on the right hand side. This is increase indent, that means a small space are added to the starting a paragraph. If you want to bring it back, so you can use decrease indent like this. So I hope you are able to understand. Next is line spacing. If you want to give some line spacing, the line spacing between two lines in a paragraph. First, select your paragraph and click the option on line spacing and select 1.5. If you select here 3.0, you can reduce line spacing like 1.15 here. So I hope you're able to understand. Next one is if you want to apply background color of the paragraph, I just keep my cursor on the paragraph. Now you can see there is a bucket symbol in a paragraph group on a home tab. I will choose any color, so I choose green color. Now the entire paragraph got colored. So this way the paragraph color can be done. We have seen all the topics and last one left, that is a border. So you want to apply border on the paragraph. As you keep your cursor at any place or select all paragraphs and select border option. After, there are so many options for applying a border on a paragraph just by hovering over the different border. Left border, right border, outer border, inner border, etc. I picked the all border option. It's done. If you want to remove border from the paragraph, so select all the paragraphs. You want to remove border. Click on border option and select no border option. I hope you are able to understand all the topics related to paragraph formatting. If you found this content useful, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel. Again, thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.